Hello there, just want to do a quick application review for a program called Kazam. It's a screencaster for Linux, and you could get it from the repositories, and if you're not using an Ubuntu distribution you can download it directly from the website, which is tar.gz, and you can simply extract that and build the source code yourself. I just want to give you a quick review of what the screencaster does. It's basically recording your desktop, so you can do videos like I'm doing right now. Not only that, it's good for recording games or recording videos that you're editing or wherever else. So let's get on with it, and I'll show you. Right now I'm currently recording, obviously, to do this. So you see that there's a little red dot, that's the icon for Kazam, and from that icon you can start the recording, pause the recording, and you can also finish the recording and quit the program. I don't know if I can run two instances of this, so I will certainly give it a go. Kazam, yes we can. Okay, I'll just quickly move that onto another thing so we could go through it. Right, just go straight into what version it is. The version I'm running is 1.4.5. It is regularly maintained. Its last update was in June this year, so it does have a bright future. And let's go into preferences here, and in the preferences you can see that you just choose speakers and your microphone. I'm currently using a laptop, so I've got an inbuilt microphone. Your countdown splash basically is just a timer. You set it to a certain amount of time and it will give you like a cue in as to when it will start recording. Screencast, right, this is for the video section because you can take screenshots as well. So let's go back to screencast. Frame rate 26 frames per second is what I'm running it at. Generally I would use maybe 15-20 frames per second for a video like this. It's absolutely perfectly fine to do that. If you were wanting to record high quality video, or you're wanting to record a gameplay or anything like that, then I would suggest no less than a 30 frames per second frame rate, really. I'm recording this in the H.264 codec. These are in an MP4 format. They have other formats here as well. Obviously AVI formats. You've got your HUFYUV, your lossless JPEG, and VP8 for web as well. So I just use the H.264. It's compatible with YouTube. That's where it's going, so that's fine. Okay, down here there's just for saving the file to a specific location every time. I prefer mine to be saved into certain folders, so I don't have that selected as on. Screenshot's very much the same. The shutter sound's very unimportant. It's just a click on the camera, and obviously this just mimics what it is. A Canon 7D shutter sound or a Nikon D80 shutter sound. Very unimportant. And once again, the same as the screencasting tab. It's just where you want to save your screenshot. Now let's get into the meat of it. This program is very simple to use and really handy. Full screen, okay, that's pretty typical. It's just full screen. It records everything that's on your screen. All screens, if you have multiple monitors, multiple screens, you can record from both screens. Window is quite simply, if we just fire up a program here, I'll just delete that, it's nice and easy. If I was to select window, it would ask me, there you go, select a window by clicking on it. You just click, and from that moment on, all the video will just be recorded within that video. And so anything I typed in here would always appear in the video, but anything I did outside wouldn't be included in the video. Okay. Area. Now area is just literally so you can highlight a portion of your screen. Okay, click enter to accept it. Alright, anything that happened in this area of the screen would be recorded. Anything outside wouldn't be recorded. So if I slid this over, it would suddenly appear in the screen, and come back out, it would be disappeared because my screen that I selected was this size. So it's just got my conky configuration in there. and that's really handy if you're very much trying to do something with video editing or anything else and you only want specific parts of your screen. But I'm running this at full screen right now because I want you to see everything and how it works. Okay, mouse cursor, you can choose if you want that enabled. That simply will remove the mouse cursor from the video. Sound from the speakers, you'll probably want to do that if you're playing games. Sound from speakers, so all the game volumes coming out. And then obviously sound from microphone is me speaking into the microphone. So if you wanted to mute outside sources, then you just kill the sound from the microphone. And capture is to capture it. That is it. That is what it's all about. It's a wonderful application. So I suggest you download it. It's really simple to use. So thank you very much. I hope the application Kazam is useful to you, and I shall see you soon for some more tutorials. Cheers. Bye-bye.